E110-R is the sweeper scrubber by Eureka. The system, featuring two opposing cylindrical brushes that rotate at high speed, ensures both debris collection, sweeping function, and thorough floor scrubbing at the same time. With a cleaning path of 110 centimeters and a maximum forward speed of 8 kilometers per hour, E110-R has a productivity that exceeds 8,800 square meters per hour. Where before you needed two different large machines, a sweeper and a scrubber-drier, today all you need is an E110-R, the combo machine by Eureka. E110-R is extremely efficient. It is a powerhouse of technologies featuring a compact body designed to increase maneuverability and to allow safe access even to the narrowest spaces. 3 Eureka patents, in particular, contribute to the greatness of this machine. First of all, the ecosystem technology, allowing to recycle the cleaning solution. It helps saving water, detergent and labor, thus limiting the environmental impact of the cleaning operations. With ecosystem, this machine is up to 5 times more efficient than traditional machines, and its 220-litre clean water tank is comparable to that of floor scrubber dryers with a capacity of at least 660 litres. FlowMASTER ensures that solution dispensing is proportional to the forward speed, while the DoseMatic system allows to adjust in real time the concentration of detergent in the flow of cleaning solution. With DoseMatic, in addition, the detergent container is universal and easily accessible to ensure that the detergent can be easily replaced without exposing the operator to the risk of coming into contact with chemicals. All these functions can be activated directly from the control panel, which is easily accessible by the operator during driving. Thanks to the combined action of these 3 Eureka patents, in addition to the self-cleaning system of the hydraulic circuit and of the ecosystem, with a single load of water and detergent, E110-R can run for over 4 consecutive hours, the lifetime of the batteries, which are located under the seat for better control. Other remarkable features of this sweeping scrubbing machine by Eureka are powerful and reliable driving motor, installed vertically over the wheel drive unit, in a protected location inside the machine nose. Sweeping scrubbing unit made of stainless steel to withstand use in corrosive environments. Stainless steel debris collection basket located close to the cylindrical brushes, directly accessible by the operator for easy emptying. Self-leveling splash guards to prevent side splashes and to ensure that the cleaning solution does not escape from under the brushes for accurate cleaning. Availability of double side brushes to further speed up the cleaning operations and for easier access to corners and skirting boards. Drying system with stainless steel floating crescent-shaped squeegee and vacuum system with 2 3-stage motors. Exclusive, uniquely designed Linetex or Primothane squeegee blades to ensure optimal drying even on floors with wide grout lines. Extremely strong and stable frame structure. The machine has a total weight of 1,200 kilograms. The operator seat of the E110 cylindrical brush machine is located in a forward and raised position to provide comfort to the operator, 360-degree visibility and top-level safety. The safety systems include weight sensors on the seat, safety belts, a button cutting off the supply of power to every component in case of emergency or for maintenance purposes, thick steel roof, optional, protecting the operator in case any objects should accidentally fall from above when moving in crowded areas. In the design stage, finally, We also paid great attention to ensure that maintenance operations on this sweeper scrubber machine can be performed easily and quickly. Squeegee blades can be replaced quickly without having to use any tools. A wide receptacle allows to easily fill and thoroughly inspect the clean water tank. The recovery tank is equipped with a stainless steel basket, an auxiliary filter preventing any clogging and further streamlining system maintenance. A necked hose, finally, allows the operator to better control the water flow during emptying operations. Where before you needed two different large machines, a sweeper and a scrubber-drier, today all you need is the E110-R sweeper scrubber.